Morning, morning. Very good morning. They are greeting me before I greeted them. Badukuza TV. Njengoba nibona nje namhlanje kuumhla ka 28 kulesibili izolo kade kuyi Freedom Day kuhlangenwe la ngaphandle kwenkantolo eStenga kuzobonwa ke abasolwa ababili abasolakala ngokubulala imndeni ewu7 yomndeni owodwa waseStenga abatholakala ngokuthi ke bazobe bevelile enkantolo. Siyazibona nenhlangano zikhona zivelile ziningi zihlukahlukene zenza wona umsebenzi wazo ukuthi ke zizibonakalise ukukhathalela abantu. Njengoba nje nibuka ababukeli bethu bakaDukuza TV yizo inhlangano lezi eziphumile ngobuningi bazo ukuthi zizobuka lana noma zizokhuluma zizoveza ulaka lazo yonke into eyenzakala ngaphakathi bathi no bail. Yes indeed, angiboni ukuthi khona okungenzeka okuyibail kulesi simo esinjengalesi namhlanje ngoba kuphuma zonke izinhlangano nesingazazi egqoke nje inkipho ezibrown esicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe isazo interviewer zisho ukuthi ke ziqhamuka ngaphansi kwayiphi inhlangano. SikwaDukuza TV siyanithembisa ukuthi ke konke nikudingayo nizogcina nikutholile osukwini lanamhlanje kokwenzakalayo okukhona la ngaphakathi. Babukeli bethu bakaDukuza TV sinomphakathi ke la esinawo mhlawumbe engizocela oyedwa wabo ukuthi ke ngimi-interviewe aveze nje ulaka lakhe kwakufilayo ngaphakathi kuyena naba emva kwami bengizocela nje ukuqala ngobaba ngimbingelela babukeli bakaDukuza TV. Good morning, sir. How are you?
Good morning. Very well, thank you,
I'm
sir.
okay, thanks. My name is Phumlani Mhlongo from Dukuza TV. If you can just greet our viewers and just tell them exactly what that brought you here.
Well, the massacre that had happened brought me here. The senseless killing that had brought me here. And this is an unwanted killing. What we are looking for is no bail, no bail, no bail. We are tired of this government that is not resuming the death penalty. We want the death penalty now. 30 years of democracy. There is nothing has been changed. The death penalty was instituted because of the political killings in the apartheid time. Now it's the GNU. The GNU has to change and say now, listen, let's institute the death penalty. 7 of our family members have been massacred, killed, raped, maimed. What is the government going to do about it? That's why we are here today to protest, to say no bail, no bail, no bail. Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot, sir. And I'm also agree with you because the death penalty, as far as I know, it had been stopped because of the what it was happening by that time.
Absolutely.
But now I think it's a time for us to redoing it again. Thank you.
And then the people will learn a lesson. Otherwise, this thing is going to continue. The killings will continue. It will never ever stop. So this is the time now to stop because 7 family members have been maimed, killed, raped.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Auntie, if you want just to say anything, and
yes,
please.
I'm here today with my family. We are fighting for justice. Justice, we want justice to prevail. We are sick and tired of the law. We are tired of the government. And by by rights, the death penalty should be back for all these crimes, this rape, house break-ins. I mean, today your daughter cannot walk on the streets because of the fear of predators. We are scared of people and what they're going to do to our children. We as the community have to close our doors at 6 o'clock because we are afraid of what's happening. And by rights, the law and the government is to blame for everything. I'm not afraid to speak. I am tired of sitting in fear. People are tired of sitting in fear. Now it's time our voice be heard. Justice must prevail.
100%, 100%. Thank you. Auntie, please.
I have one question for our government.
Yes.
Why is this country a lawless country? We got a day called Freedom Day. Why is it called freedom when we got no freedom? We can't sit in our yard. We can't come out and walk the street. We can't take a peaceful walk with our kids. It's just a lawless country. Why? That's a question I want to be answered. Thank you.
I'm sure the question of yours will definitely go straight to our president, Mr. Hayan.
Hello, good morning. Look at, I am 72 years old and our mothers are getting raped, our kids are getting raped, we are getting hurt. Look at me how old I am. But today we have to stand for our families and say, please, we want something good to be done from the government. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. I'm definitely, your voice has been heard, Auntie. I'm 100% sure about that. If I can, there's Mr. here who has been long time standing. Hopefully he was wanted to say something. I believe you wanted to say something, my brother. Just say anything and what's exactly he
Okay, I'm greeting everyone in South Africa. Silakwa Dukuza bafowethu enkantolo. Siyafisa ukuthi kwenzeke ubulungiswa kuyo yonke into eyenzeke la kwaDukuza embi kangaka ukuthi kubulawe abantu ngesihluku esikhulu kangaka. Ngiyaqala ukuyibona lento la eSouth Africa ukuthi kubulawe abantu abawu7 ngesikhathi esisodwa ngesihluku esikhulu kangaka. Siyacela ukuthi umthetho awudlale indima yawo, umthetho awenze ubulungiswa kulento eyenzekela elembeni. Siyafisa ke comrades unina nonke mhlaba wonke njengoba silapha nje ukuthi nisisupport ukuze kube khona ukulungiswa kuzoba khona uphilana kwaMsezalo lokhulumayo kwi-subregion yakaDukuza kwiLembe region. Amandla.
Uncle, if you can just share.
Amandla. Yes, we are here at Stanger Kwadukuza court here at the moment and we're looking for justice, and I hope that we really get justice and there's no human being should be, go away in that manner. We don't accept that. And if the law or the justice system fail us, then we have got no justice in this. We got no justice at all. And all we're looking is for justice.
Thank you. I appreciate your time. Thanks a lot, sir. Okay, babukeli bethu bakaDukuza TV siyabonga sinobaba la eduze kwethu sicela ukuthi ke mhlambe nawo khona amazwi ambalwa afuna ukwabeka nanokuthi nje mhlambe yini emlethela ngoba siyabona ukuthi bonke abantu abaningi bala balethwe umunyu nosizi njengoba besho nje bekhuluma baba cela nje ubingelela ababukeli bethu bakaDukuza TV ubatshele nje igama ukuthi ubaba ubani usenganda siyabonga.
Nganibingelela batwa ke eThelembeni batwa ke kwaDukuza. Without being a racist, without being any kind of any race in South Africa, but I fight for the right of the people. People, they need not to kill even one person of the country. They need not to kill even one a person of the country, because our people are just our people.
We stand here today claiming for justice for my family that has been brutally murdered. They did not deserve this kind of torture. But today, we stand together and we want justice. No bail for them. Because if they are left out, then we will take the law in our own hands and we will do what's to be done, what they did to our family. The law has failed us, but we are not going to fail. We will do what's to be done. Today we want justice and there'll be no bail. How they murdered my family, they will have to pay for what dictated.
Babukeli bethu bakaDukoza TV ngizombingelela nje kuphela ngicabanga ukuthi bonke ababukeli bethu bayamazi uMr Gaddafi Dushi Govender is a well-known man as a businessman and a councillor oqale kwi-ANC is the first councillor ye-MK iwaDukuza eLembeni. Siyabonga nje cela ukudlulisela kuwena imic baba sibonge nje ukhulume nababukeli bethu bakaDukoza TV.
Morning, comrades. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, my name is Councillor Gaddafi, the big hitter in Ilembe region. Yeah, we are today gathering to oppose the bail of the 7 Scrooges, criminals, and definitely our numbers are here. We are being tolerated by all races, and I want to also dedicate a special thank you to our black sisters and brothers for standing with this Indian community. MKP will never defy any order when it comes to crime, especially farm murders. And we are going to make a difference, especially in KwaDukuza. We are tired of the GNU government, being the DA, ANC and IFP, for undermining the Indian community in KwaDukuza in Ilembe region. Now is the time that MKP will be making waves. And I'm calling on all the Indians, coloreds, whites, who live in Ilembe region to join forces with MKP, and we must kick these crooks and the rogues out. The biggest crooks here is the GNU. They care less about our lives, especially Indian lives. Thank you.
Mawam sawubona ukhuluma noPhumlani. Ukhuluma noPhumlani from KwaDukuza TV mawam. Basi nje usindalela isimo esinilethela nomunyu enuphilayo nento nje ungayikhuluma ngalesimo esibhekene naso namhlanje mawam.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Njoba silana nje siphuma ukuyongcwaba umndeni o11 obulawe imgulukudu. Njoba silana enkantolo besithembisile ukuthi sizoba la enkantolo njoba wabona inhlangano ezihlukahlukene kahle kahle. Iphakathi ANC la, ikhona iMK, ikhona iDA, ikhona iIFP noPremier waseKZN. iGNU yethu sifikile. Sizothi phansi ngobugebengu. Sizothi laba bantu ababulela abantu laphayana, ababulele le family akungaphumi noyedwa. Futhi akufanele ngabe liyathetha icala. Kufanele ngabe bayagwetshwa kuyimanje. Kodwa phela sizowalandela ama-processes enkantolo. Kubuhlungu into engachazeki. Ukufila kungathi umndeni wakho ukuze sigwemele lezi zinto-ke sila enkantolo sesiyisayinile i-petition kaPremier, sayisayina i-petition ye-ANC. Sisayinile kahulumeni elido Prem, sayisayinile ne-ANC because i-ANC yona elidayo kwi-society iyona ephethe uhulumeni national. Asikwazi ukuphila nabantu abazigebengu ngalolu hlobo, basibulalele abantu ngalolu hlobo ngoba lento iyakutshela ukuthi umuntu ophilayo ngeke ayenze lento. Siyacela amaphoyisa angenelele kulento eyidakamizwa. Zincane lezi ngane ezenzelele. Uyabona nje ukuthi khona into ebebeyidlile. Sizothi kababoshwe futhi sizolilandela icala kuze kube sekugcineni. Sibafuna beboshiwe futhi bengaphinde balibone ilanga. Siyabonga.
Mawam siyabonga nje kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho, siyabonga kakhulu uNkulunkulu akuzise mawam. Ngiyabonga nje kakhulu. Bafo ngiyabingelela. Ukhuluma noPhumlani wakamhlongo from KwaDukuza TV mfowethu.
Ngiyabingelela nami Njomane. Ngibingelela kuwe nguNkosazana kaMngadi, ucoordinator we-ANC kulesi sifunda seLembe noma iGeneral Gizanga Mpanza region. Silana-ke ukuzoqhuba umgqiqo wokuthi abantu abangabasolwa laba babanjiwe amaphoyisa bangayitholi ibail ngesizathu sokuthi isihluku abasitshengisile kulomndeni ababulele kuwona abantu abawu7 asamukelekile emphakathini esiphila kuwona.
Kodwa siyabonga nje kakhulu. Siyaphela ngiqala ukubona sike sihlangane nawe endaweni esuke sisetshenzwa kuzona ey'njengazo lithi ngicela nje ubikela ababukeli bethu mfowethu.
Yo, sibingelele msakazi, sibingelele nabalaleli nababukeli be-TV yakwaDukuza Television. Igama nguSakhelo Wakhoza, usihlalo wabantu abasha we-ANC la kwaDukuza Sub-Region ngaphansi kwe-General Designer Bhaza Region. Okwethu namhlanje sizothi asivumeli abasola abatholakala ababulela imindeni o-7 ukuthi bathole i-bail. Asikwazi ukuthi kungavele kutholakala kanjalo. Akekho umuntu enelungelo lokuthatha impilo yomunye umuntu. Wonke umuntu unelungelo lokuthi aphile. So sithi njengokubukela abantu abasha ze-ANC Youth League i-bail abangayitholi and siyafisa ukuthi into kanjena amaphoyisa aqhubeka ayisumele phezulu umthetho udlala indima yawo.
Siyabonga kakhulu mfowethu, siyabonga kakhulu. Cela uqhubeke njalo nento enhle oyenzayo ngoba lento oyenzayo mfowethu yokuhleze useyindaweni la ekuhlangene khona ngento enenqubekela phambili kuyinto enhle ekhombisa ukuthi ngelinye ilanga njengoba ukhula nawe ukhombisa ukuthi uyoba yindoda le umzali wakho ayefisa ube yona. Siyabonga kakhulu mfowethu, uNkulunkulu akubusise. Siyabonga baba. Ukuthi-ke ngoba sibonile iy'nhlangano zikhona y'fikile nezinye-ke mhlawumpe engasizona ezepolitiki siyabonga ukuthi y'fike bese kujabula nje sisi wami ukuthi sibingelelele ababukeli bethu bakwaDukuza TV mase siyabuza ukuthi-ke inhlangano ngoba siyabona ukuthi akusizona iy'nhlangano zezepolitiki kodwa-ke inhlangano eqhamuka kuphi ehamba nani nize ngani ekhaya. Siyabonga.
Awu ngiyabonga msakazi, ngibingelela ababukeli emakhaya. uSimphiwe Shongwe lo sikuyiLembe district under uKZN province waka community safety and liaison lo ophethe uPremier uThamintuli. Into enenzekile sishaqekile-ke thina sisebenza ey'teshini sisama social worker sibizwa ngosama GBV activists sidila nohlobo lama-case olunje. Sishaqekile ngempela kokwenzekile kodwa sibonga umholi wethu uPremier uThamintuli osondelile ngoLwesihlanu wathi asimphelezele emndenini nangesonto sekufihla wabakhona kanjalo no-HOD wethu uMs Khanyile. Sibonga kakhulu njobana namhlanje bethe asiqoqane la sizoseka laba abasele emndenini abasemaceleni ngoba umndeni ngathi wonke udlulile emhlabeni.
No, ngiyabonga kakhulu dadewethu. Ukhuluma noPhumela kaMhlongo from kwaDukuza TV. Bengicela nje mfowethu ubikela ababukeli bethu bakwaDukuza TV masuyabatshela nje ukuthi mhlambe yini enilethelani iqembu leCatapult Freedom Party ngoba amaqembu amaningi nje sengiwa-interviewile mfowethu alibeka uvo lwawo ngesimo asibonayo. Siyabonga nje nawe mfowethu ushiya isikhathi sakho sonke obungakwenza but uzobandakanya nento obona ukuthi ibaluleke kakhulu. Bengicela nje mfowethu udlulisa nje uvo lwakho ngokwenzakala namhlanje.
Siyabingelela ababukeli bonke abakhona ababukela kwaDukuza TV. Lo okhulumayo uSiphamandla wakaSibisi osuka eMandeni wa13 usihlalo kwe-branch ekhona wa13 weqembu lenkatha. Njengoba silana nje siyinkatha sizozwelana sizotshengisa ulaka lethu kubabulali kubenzi bokubi. Ayinhle lento eyenzekile wonke umuntu ngicabanga ukuthi uyibonile ngaphansi kaDukuza nawo wonke eSouth Africa yonkana. Sonke-ke sila ukuzokweseka noNdunankulu wethu okhona ingxenye yokuthethwa kwaleli cala namhlanje. Siyethemba ukuthi umthetho uzodlala indima yawo futhi ababulali abezukuphuma. Into esilwa nayo kakhulu no kwe-bail, asiceli i-bail kubabulali. Kahle kahle isigwebo sabo sifuna kube isigwebo esikhulu kakhulu. Akusibo abantu okufanele behlale emphakathini. Labantu ababulele bayingozi emphakathini noma yinini noma ngabe kuphi. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Siyabonga nje kakhulu mfowethu, siyabonga nje kakhulu Nkosi ngibusise. Mawami bengicela nje nawe uzodlulisa uvo lwakho usitshele ukuthi ubani wakabani yini ekulethela ekhaya. La nje sithenga namhlanje.
Ngibingelele ama-comrades, igama lami nguDoris Fatima Ndlovu, ngiphuma Lindelani. Size lapha ukuzokweseka ukuzothi inkantolo sithi cha ngababulali, sicela ibheli bengayitholi, sicela bengaphumi, isenzo abasenze kuthina ngokubulala abantu bethu basendiya, babulala umndeni omningi kangaka. Sibuhlungu kulale kunasebusuku thina sinzala abantu, kubuhlungu ukuphila ngale ndlela esiphila ngayo. Sithi phansi ngepheli phansi, phansi ngepheli phansi. Babulali, umthetho uthatha indawo yawo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ma-comrades.
Siyabonga kakhulu mama, siyabonga kakhulu. Mhlawumbe nje bawufuna ukudlulisa uvo lakho sisiwami kakhulu ngayikho inkinga.
Ngibingelele igama lami nguThulile Zungu, ngisuka lapha eWard 18 eShavini. Nkosi yami yazi sibuhlungu siyintsha kakhulukazi. Sibuhlungu kakhulu lento eyenzekile. And into esicelayo sithi nje sicela ukuthi bengayitholi ibheli. Bethole isigwebo esizoba isijezo esikhulu ukuze nathi enhlizweni sigculiseke. Sithi phansi ngababulali phansi. Phansi ngababulali phansi. Ngibonga ithuba.
Siyabonga nje kakhulu sisi, siyabonga nje kakhulu. Babukeli bethu bakaDukuza TV niyabezwa nje nabo abayiqembu ke lapho ke iIFP ichaza ke uvo lwayo ngokwenzakalile ngaphakathi ke. Siyabonga babukeli bethu bakaDukuza TV. I don't know if you want to share your views and your thoughts about the incident that happened.
We want justice. The murderer must have bail. Killing the people that no bail.
Yes.
We want justice.
No, siyabonga kakhulu. Bengicela ungibizele nangu baba lapha nesikhulu ngoba ngathi kunomhlonishwa omkhulu wayo ke iIFP bengizomcela baba mhlonishwa ngezwe nje osesibethi nangu baba usefikile. Bengicela nje mhlawumbe umfowethu ayibike ukuthi ubani ngaphakathi eqembini lenkatha mase nje veza uvo lwakhe ngesimo esehlakalile kaDukuza. Siyabonga baba.
Igama lami nginguphumlane ngwakangwenya, ngiwunobhala la kwaDukuza webranch eWard 18 eShakaville. So size lapha ukuzothi laba babulala bangayitholi ngisho ibail, ngcono babhadle ejele ngoba lokho abakwenzile ubuhlungu kakhulu kuthina sizwe se-South Africa. Sizama ukuthi sihlangane sibumbane, kodwa kunabantu abenza ubugebengu njengalobu. Labantu abadeserve kuba semphakathini, labantu abadeserve ukuthi babantu siphila kanye nabo, ngoba uma bengase bakhishwe bangaba ihlazo impela. Umthetho wala eSouth Africa awusigcinele bona ejele, babolele ejele. Thina njenge-IFP sithi no bail kulaba bulali abazovela enkantolo namhlanje.
Nathi siwaDukuza TV sivumelana nani lokho nikushoyo ngoba esimeni esinjengalesi ngicabanga ukuthi isigwebo sentambo savalwa ngoba sasicindezela umuntu omnyama, but mawuthi uyabuka kulethi simo esikusona mfowethu ngicabanga ukuthi siyavumelana ukuthi kumele masibuke. Kodwa manje siyasibhekisisa ngoba kala sasisetshenziswa ngendlela engekho right. Kodwa mawuthi uyabuka esikhathini esiphila kusona singakwazi mhlawumbe ukuthi sisimele ngendlela okuyiyona ngoba ziningi izinto othi mawuthi uyayibheka njengalokhu
ezisidinga isigwebo sentambo ukuthi sibuye. Impela kulolu daba siyadingeka impela sibuye isigwebo sentambo ngoba impela lento abayenzile bakwazile ukuthi babulele abantu, ifamily yonke mfowethu, abantu abangenacala, abantu abangenze lutho. Bekufanele impela ukuthi isigwebo sentambo basithole laba bantu. Umthetho South Africa ulife fanele bawuthole abantu babhadle ejele ngendlela benza ngayo ngoba si-IFP nje sithina abangayitholi bail ababoshwe ejele.
No, siyabonga kakhulu futhi ngesikhathi sakho nokuhlonipha. Siyabonga kakhulu mfowethu. Siyabonga nje qhubeka njalo nomsebenzi omuhle wokusupporta umphakathi omuhle wenu waseSouth Africa nje wokhaya mfowethu. Siyabonga.
If you kill someone, you must kill them. Bring the death penalty back. That's what we want. The death penalty, then the country be right.
Yes, thank you. Ngiyabonga kakhulu baba.
Long live Msholozi, long live. Long live Msholozi, long live. Long live Msholozi, long live. Uyaphuma ANC, uyaphuma kumasipala wethu. Uyaphuma umasipala ANC kumasipala wethu uyaphuma.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu ma comrades ukuthi sihlanganyele namhlanje endabeni engemnandi la kulinyezwe khona abantu abawu7 babulawela into engekho bayihlalele ekhaya labo. Sizothi phansi ngababulali phansi and asibadingi ngaphandle babelonga to ejele. U-ANC owenze ukuthi umthetho udicilele phansi abantu abangenacala kodwa izigebengu bazigone